Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. In recognition of Earth Day, I'm going to show you how to make this Earth Day sensory bottle. I'm going to get set up and be right back. Now that I'm set up, I'm going to show you how this works. The pony beads will rise in the corn syrup. And also, there's a little air bubble left at the top of the bottle when you fill it with corn syrup. So it kind of has a lava lamp effect. First, you'll see these big bubbles coming up. It's rather mesmerizing. And then the pony beads will slowly start to rise. Now I have covered the outside of the cap with this washi tape. In this case, it shows a forest of evergreen trees, just in honor of Earth Day. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make one. And in this case, I'm going to use this cactus washi tape that I found, and it's not quite wide enough for the cap. So I am going to first place this little skinny strip around the top of the cap. Just make sure that cap will be totally covered. Now you could also use stickers if you like, to cover this cap. And you could also make holiday themed sensory bottles. Okay, I bent that over a little bit, so I'm going to trim this, bring this over. Line that up. Next, the cactus. There. Now we have that done. The next step is to put pony beads in our bottle, and there's no right or wrong amount. I would just say a solid layer of each color and approximately the same amount of each color. We're using blue, green, dark blue, green, and baby blue, sky blue. That looks good. One or two more for good measure. Next, our light corn syrup. You can see how thick it is. I'm going to try to fill it up really close to the top. See, those bubbles keep coming. Okay, that looks good. And next, I'm going to put some hot glue inside the channel where you screw the cap on, so the cap will be permanently attached to the bottle. If you're making this with children, of course, the adults want to do the glue gun. And now screw it on. And just start watching those bubbles. I'm going to flip it over. And I found at first you have to play with it a little bit to get these loosened up so that they will start rising. Let's put them side by side. You can see they're starting to rise. Slowly, ever so slowly. There you have it. If you make your own Earth Day sensory bottles or any other sensory bottles, we'd love to see them. You can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.